Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking steamed squid with garlic sauce. So let's start cooking. Now we'll prepare the sauce. I have with me over here 2 cloves of garlic chopped finely. If you like it even finer, you can actually grate it or use your food processor, no problem. Add in 25 grams of young ginger, also chopped. Half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, as well as 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix them up well. After you have mixed this up well, we'll just put this aside and assemble the squid with the vermicelli. I have with me over here 40 grams of glass vermicelli or tanghoon. What you got to do is you have to soak them in water for approximately 10-15 minutes and they'll be soft like this. If you'd like to have more, you can always use more, no problem at all. So we lay them down on the plate like this as a base. This will soak up the delicious paste, the sauce from the squid as well as the garlic. I have with me over here 350 grams of squid. I've cut them up and cleaned them up. What you got to do is, there's an outer layer of skin, you just use your finger, wrap it up and tear it away. And then you just cut it into rings like this. So I'm just going to lay this all over the tanghoon or glass vermicelli. You can adjust it nicely. This dish is actually very easy to prepare and extremely delicious. Now that we are done with this, we'll go and prepare the final step of our paste. Before we heat up the oil, let's heat up some water first so we can save some time. This water will be used for steaming the squid. Place in your steamer rack, turn the heat up to medium or medium high, put the lid on and we will wait for this to come to a boil before we steam our squid. Heat up a pan, set the fire at medium or medium low, add in 60 milliliters of oil. We will heat up the oil until we see a little bit of smoke coming out. As you can see, the oil is very hot now. There's smoke rising up from there. We'll add this to the garlic paste. Slowly pour it in. Give it a good stir. And then we'll just spread this over the squid. Once you're done with this, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing Huatiao or Chinese cooking wine. For our Muslim friend, you can always omit this. Just pour it over like this. Okay, by now the water should be ready. We'll steam this now. Remove the lid. Place the squid in carefully. Don't burn yourself. Put the lid back on. Do not turn down the flame. We'll let this steam for approximately 5 to 6 minutes since these squid are pretty small. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow. The squid are done already. Let's turn off the flame. Now we'll sprinkle some spring onion. And it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Let's give the squid a taste. The garlic sauce is just nice. Very garlicky, which I love. And it's very, very fragrant. Let's try the glass noodles. Very, very tasty. The glass noodles have absorbed the sauce very, very well. This is indeed a very good dish. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.